My name is Mr. Cleophas. If you want to know more, go to YouTube. Just search CPA Cleophas. Today, I want to bring to your attention how to pass the KASNEB exam within the shortest time possible. Just be my follower. You can give me a call. You can WhatsApp me through my WhatsApp number. This way, I will come back to you. I will answer you. And for the years of being lecturing, this should tell you that I am a good advisor in KASNEB, CPA, or ATD exams. So do not give up. That is what I've come to tell you. If you have failed in KASNEB exam, please don't give up. Maybe have been sent to you. You never know. God uses people. And I am ready to help my people and my fellow Kenyans and also other people from other countries doing CPA so that we promote our local brand, the KASNEB exam, the CPA that is in our country. Please ensure you give me a call. You WhatsApp me. You have a relative who has been stuck in either intermediate, foundation, advanced level, ATD1, ATD2, ATD3. I am assuring you, you have a solution next to you here. Today, let me just give you a brief. Let me explain a concept in auditing. Accountants need to know this. Even those who lack the accounting knowledge, just watch this. What I want to tell you is about accounting and auditing. This is just a small part I want you to be aware of, the distinction between accounting and auditing. This will help intermediate students doing auditing and assurance, and also ATD3 students doing principles of auditing. Let me have or write this distinction between auditing and accounting. I want to give this one in a tabular format or in a table where you will be in a position to get even to connect or to use words to explain. I will have the first column here with the basis of the distinction. I will have here auditing. On the other column, accounting. Even for the non-accountants, you can watch this. It gives you knowledge. The first distinction, I'll get it from meaning. What is the meaning of what? Auditing. Auditing is an independent examination of vouchers, books of accounts, and financial statements of an entity by the appointed auditor in order to enable him express an opinion. That is the definition of auditing. So let me write here, auditing is an independent examination of vouchers, books of accounts, and financial statement of an entity by the appointed auditor in order to enable him express an opinion on the truth and fairness of the financial statements. And accounting, accountants listening to this, you need to have the knowledge of what is accounting. You do not need to cram accounting. And I'll define accounting in a very simple way. I'll tell you, for you to do accounting, one, you have to identify the transaction. After you have some transactions, you have to identify them first, have them. You need then to do what we call classify them. In accounting, we have assets, we have liabilities, we have also incomes. We also have maybe after the income, you need to also analyze the expenses. So you need to categorize your items. You need to categorize or to classify your transactions. So first identify them. Number two, you classify them. After classifying them, you know where to record each. Recording. After you record the information in either the books of accounts, you need then to give a summary, summarizing that information. After you summarize, then you communicate the information to help people make decision. You have communication of the information. That is what we call accounting. So don't struggle in cramming. Those doing accounting, do not struggle in cramming. You need to know what is all about accounting. You need to identify, classify, record, summarize, then you communicate. That is what I'm going to write here. Simple definition of what is an account. Is accounting. So it's the process of identifying, classifying, recording, and communicating. Recording, summarizing, and communicating. Communicating financial information. For decision making, financial information for decision making. So that is one of the distinction of accounting and auditing, or auditing and accounting. Number two, we'll talk of objective. The distinction will come from objective. We need to know what is objective of auditing. We always know auditor comes to express an opinion so that he can give an opinion after examining the vouchers, books of accounts, and what? Financial statements. So that is the objective of auditing. To enable auditor express an opinion on whether financial statements gives true and what? Fair view. My students will tell you this one, they have it in mind. Then under accounting, you say to prepare, to facilitate preparation, or to prepare financial statements for decision making. So the reason behind accounting is so that you can prepare financial statements for decision making. Another distinction is reporting. Reporting, we want to know auditors report to who? They report, or auditors report to shareholders or the appointing authority, shareholders. Accountants report to who? Accountants, they report to management. Reports to management. Between auditing and accounting, which one comes first? The distinction number 4 comes from timing. Auditing comes after accounting. So this accounting comes first, meaning the books have to be prepared first. So it precedes. auditing, meaning it comes before auditing. Then auditing succeeds accounting, meaning it comes after accounting. I know some are saying mwalimu, just continue, or mwalimu endelea. Mwalimu endelea na mwalimu anaendelea kuongezea at least more distinctions. So if there is anyone stuck, please just follow my channel. I have a platform where I have a very, very good team of lecturers experienced in this industry. They work under my platform, under a contract. And last sitting, that is in May or April sitting 2024, many students were under my platform. Some can tell you intermediate, advanced, doing FR, AFM, FR, QA, auditing, advanced taxation, taught by the team under CPA Cleophas. And only one student failed. The rest passed. They can comment. They are free to comment. They can tell you they are witnesses. And those whom have taught some years back, they know what I can do, and they know how I normally do it in helping students pass KASNEB exam. Now, things have gone online, and ensure you embrace technology. That is why my online platform is working wonders. Let me proceed. Next. I think that was number 4. I can have number 5. Number 5, about the distinction of auditing and accounting. I can talk of professional qualification. Professional qualification. Between auditor and accountant, who is more qualified? Automatically is the auditor. Auditing is conducted or performed by a fully qualified, registered, and practicing accountant. So performed by a fully qualified, registered and practicing accountant. What about accounting performed by a person who may or may not be a fully qualified accountant? So what do we mean by fully qualified accountant? Somebody who has done CPA to the final level. Then we are talking of registered. You have to be registered with the body regulating the accountancy profession in the country. In Kenya, the body regulating the accountancy profession is ISPAC, Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya. That is the body regulating the accountancy profession. So for you to be an auditor, you must be fully qualified, number 1, registered, being a member of ISPAC, and have a certificate of practicing certificate, which is given after registration with the practicing body. You know, when you go to ISPAC and after finishing CPA, if you want to register, you may register as maybe an associate, you may register as a full member practicing, or full member non-practicing. So here, you need to be a full member practicing. That is how we define an auditor. Auditor is a person who as fully or is a fully qualified, registered and practicing accountant. Accounting is performed by a person who may or may not have been a fully qualified accountant, meaning even after your intermediate level, even before you finish your CPA, you can become an accountant. You can be appointed as an accountant in any organization, depending with the policies in the particular organization. The standards of compliance is another distinction. So this one is conducted in compliance with ISA. This is International Standards on Auditing. ISA, International Standards on Auditing. What about accounting? It is conducted in compliance with IAS. IAS stands for International Accounting Standards. Here is this International Standards on Auditing. Here is International Accounting Standards. Okay. I can talk of independence. Auditor has high degree of independence from the company. What about accountant? Performs or he lacks independence from the company. Lacks independence from the company. I just wanted to take you through that so that you can refer people and students doing CPA to my platform. My number is what? 0714 023 691. That is the number you'll get me, and I will advise you never give up. Maybe this CPA is holding your serious destiny. Let's meet in our next session or in our WhatsApp as we chat or communicate on how you're going to join this sitting